Well, thirdly, Obama's support accelerated the collapse of LRA command structure. U.S. involvement led to the capture or killing of mid-ranking commanders, surrenders of abductees, severe disruption of LRA logistics, loss of operational bases and communication channels. Without such pressure, COIN could have reorganized, abducted new fighters, or launched raids into Uganda again, as it did many times before. Secondly, COIN survived for decades, partly because no one fully prioritized him. From 1987 to around 2006, the LRA survived due to South Sudanese government support, that's weapons, sanctuary, supply lines, the remoteness of the region, weak UPDF operations in early years, lack of regional coordination, and international neglect. Even after 2006, COIN was able to escape into DRC and CR. It was the U.S. intelligence and surveillance capabilities under Obama that weakened his ability to move unseen. Well, fourthly, the Acholi peace movement still mattered immensely. Even without Obama, Acholi elders, religious leaders, and cultural institutions like Kakwa and Acholi had already facilitated the 2006 cessation of hostilities, strengthened the demand for amnesty, reduced community support for LRA, built moral pressure on COIN's commanders to surrender. Their roles shortened the war, but not enough to fully end COIN's operations internationally. U.S. involvement essentially sealed the deal. So the conclusion, yes, it is very possible the LRA war could still be ongoing somewhere in the region without Obama's intervention. Obama's presidency did not end the war alone, but it added the final decisive international force that made COIN's survival almost impossible. The Acholi community's peace work plus Obama's military support equals to the combination that finally stopped the war from returning. So would the war still be going on without Obama? A realistic, evidence-based analysis. The first thing is Obama's presidency changed U.S. policy toward the LRA. Before Obama, U.S. involvement against Joseph COIN was limited, inconsistent, and often reactive. When Obama became president in 2009, several things shifted. Key turning point, the LRA Disarmament and Northern Uganda Recovery Act of 2010. This law, heavily backed by African advocates and the U.S. public, obligated the U.S. government to help stop COIN. Obama then deployed U.S. Special Forces, about 100 advisors, intelligence and surveillance support, training and logistical support to UPDF and regional forces. This dramatically increased pressure on the scattered LRA groups. Without this commitment, analysts argue the LRA might still be operating in South Sudan, CR or DRC, and able to destabilize northern Uganda again.